Richardson Chambade, the director of a community-based organization known as ADUA. This ADUA is meant to operate in hard-to-reach areas like Buvuma and other places. So, Buvuma being an island is facing a problem because few people can sacrifice to operate from there. So, ADUA is the only community-based organization which has sacrificed itself to render services to the islanders. The district is having only one hospital, that's Health Center 4, which caters for all the 4 sub-counties of Buvuma district.
Right now there are few fishes in the lake. There is a high problem of uneducated children, high prevalence rate of HIV, there is a lot of deforestation. People have no services like being sensitized about nutrition, health, and the essence of education. So as ADUA, we've come out after realizing that people are facing such problems that we may render services, nutrition, HIV, malaria control, environmental education, so that people can live a happy life.
We render services like HIV/AIDS awareness because we have found it that those areas are heavily affected with the scourge, that's HIV. The prevalence rate compared to the national is very high at around 29 up to 31%. So those people need to be taught and sensitized about how they can prevent HIV.
Fishermen are mobile. There is a high problem of mobility. They move from one landing site to another, so they keep on spreading HIV from one area to another. So that's why the prevalence is very high. People are not sensitized. They are just like that. When you look at education, it's still the major problem. People don't, as in, go high via education. They just end in P2, P3, P4, P6 there. They go fishing. So they keep just living that kind of life. They are ignorant. They don't know anything. They can't even support themselves. They don't have any information about why HIV is very dangerous. So they are just in such a state, a devastating state. So they need a hand to be helped, to be sensitized. They need to be directed. They need to be supported in all different aspects of life so that they live up morally upright.
During our services, we do usually teach HIV awareness programs, sex and reproductive health issues, health and nutrition, promotion of PMTCT, stroke of VCT. It's also our role to distribute condoms and teach people how they can use them effectively so as to prevent themselves from being caught by the virus HIV. Also, activities include teaching them how they can eat well so as to get rid of many diseases which are nutritional related, coming from bad feeding and the lack of temperature. Another problem they are facing is malaria. They lack mosquito nets. So, as ADUA has decided to operate from here, we are looking at possible ways how we can get mosquito nets for those people.
Malaria is on a high rate because mainly there are a lot of mosquitoes, since malaria is caused by mosquitoes. The rate is very high because people lack such preventive measures like mosquito nets. People are not sensitized about how they should and where and when they should control mosquitoes so that they don't get affected. Buvuma Island is very big. It has got 52 other small islands with a lot of 1,000 landing sites. So the population is very big. We are very few. We hope that we shall recruit more instructors, which also need training in various aspects of life like HIV, malaria, life skills, etc. and others. We need also to acquire in future that we may get to ease our transportation on water and on the mainland. We need motorboats which can help us to travel on different landing sites, while on the mainland we need motorcycles which can ease our transport from one area to another. Since transportation has been a big problem, we also plan that after 5 years we shall be somewhere very far, that the organization has increased in size and in a number, that we can also even reach different areas which are near to Buvuma Island.